good, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another banger. As you can see, we got the Hemi on the U-Haul, on the flatbed, whatever you want to call it. We got it on there. We're taking it to get it tuned as of right now. Stopped at an AutoZone real quick just to get a little pin kit for a little ball that goes on the truck where like it hinges or whatever. So yeah, we on that right now. God, it was a struggle to just trying to get the car on top. It was a struggle. I mean, we got through it, and right now we on the way. It's gonna take us like an hour 20 to get there, probably a little more now that we stopped. So yeah, I'll get to y'all once we get there. Made it.
Ahí se runway, ahí se va a abrir sola. Hay unas que son de pico al revés.
Alright, y'all. So I know it's a little bit dark out, but I'll sleep. But we dropped off the U-Haul trailer thing. As you can see, this is where we at. We left the car. He said he might keep it a couple of days just to get it running good, you know, make sure everything's good. It doesn't matter to me how long he keeps it. I just want the good quality work, you know. That's all that matters to me. But yeah, man.
2,000 years later.
What's good, y'all? I'm back at it with the same video. I'm continuing the video. It's been a week already, and Tuner hit me up already. He said car is good to go, so we are gonna go pick up the car today finally. He was telling me, he was giving me the whole rundown like of what he was doing, what's going on, basically giving me updates of the car. And he did tell me that the heat exchanger is leaking a little bit on the top hose. I'll put a picture right here in the video for y'all to see what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's leaking a little bit, so we're gonna do, I'm taking some tools. He's all the way in Riverside. It's like an hour away from me, so I'm taking some tools. I'm gonna try to tighten it myself, and if that doesn't work, I am gonna have to take off that hose and see what's up. But he said the car is 100% drivable, so we are gonna be driving it home. I thought I was gonna have to take it on a tow truck, or like bring it back on a tow truck. But no, he said the car is 100% drivable, so we're gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna show y'all the whole, like, you know, shebang. I'm gonna give y'all POV. He said the only thing, you cannot hear the whine just because my exhaust is loud, so it overpowers the whine. So I am gonna have to get like some mufflers for y'all to hear the whine. But other than that, the car is ready, 100% drivable. We're gonna go pick it up, and I'll see y'all there. Y'all, we made it.
Brother,
Alright, y'all, so we got the car back, as you could see, after 3 months, bro. Oh my god, it feels good to drive this. You don't know how fucking happy I am right now. I'm nervous. I'm like, my palms are sweating and everything, but right now we're on a bass tune, so we can't really hit it. can't really hear the whine just because my exhaust overpowers the whine. Yeah, it's there, but you can't really hear it because, as you can see, I don't really have back seats, so it like overpowers the whine. But yeah, man, we in the car. This is nerve-wracking. Well, not nerve-wracking, but I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. But right now, yeah, I'm just driving it. Go to my uncle's house real quick. I'll get off and I'll show y'all everything that has been done to the car. But yeah, man, we finally got her back and it's very nasty. He says it spins. He did a baby pool and it spins. So he said just to be careful. Hold on, yeah, I gotta put the directions because I don't even know where I'm at right now. But yeah, I can't really get on it right now just because we're still on the stock fuel pump. And if I like try to gas it or whatever, it's going to cut out, so I can't really punch it. Let me see. Yeah, I'm scared. I don't want to punch it, something break, you know. But yeah, as soon as we get the fuel pump, man, we're gonna throw this in and give it all the horsepower it takes. This is crazy. I still can't process it, bro. But yeah, it's crazy. My first ever build, and this is what I'm building. It's crazy, bro. But yeah, man, I'm gonna just shut up and give y'all a little POV or whatever. I mean, you can't really hear the whine, like I said, because it overpowers my exhaust overpowers the whine. But we're gonna get some mufflers to quiet it down. I still got my stock mufflers, so I'm gonna just throw them on there for y'all can hear the whine whenever I do a POV. But here I go. It's just loud, bruh. I need to give it a wash. It's very dirty. Oh shit, I thought something fell off. Yeah, we don't got the front bumper as well, just because the car that I had took to come pick up the car, the bumper wasn't gonna fit. And like I said, I didn't like really have all the tools that I needed to put the front bumper on. So we're gonna run front bumper all the way home, buddies. Yeah, man, it's crazy. It's crazy. Supercharged Hemi, man. Who would have known? This is very loud. Look at mom's right there in that Kia. Should we go Gapper? Take her to Applebee's. I'm gonna be outside more, man. Now with the RT, I'm gonna give y'all more videos. I know y'all been asking for way more videos, bruh. I haven't been delivering, you know, but I haven't had the car, so I couldn't give y'all any videos unless y'all wanted me to give y'all work videos, because that's all I've been doing, you know. But yeah, man, now that we got the car, I'll do more POVs. I'll give y'all like little races, meets, or whatever y'all want to see, you know. I'll deliver for y'all now that we got the car. I mean, the car still needs more work, like I said, fuel pump, but I'm gonna still be delivering more videos for y'all. And yeah, man, this is crazy journey. I still can't get over it. Sorry, but I still can't get over it. Gotta get off right here. Oh yeah, you can hear it a bit, but it still overpowers. Hear it, it still overpowers. Yeah, I still gotta put a muffler on this. Yeah, I'll give it a little bit more gas, see if y'all can hear it, but yeah, it's like barely. Bruh, where y'all going? This guy. See if y'all can hear it. here it is. I don't know if on the last clip y'all could hear it, but yeah, it's like a little, obviously the Hellcat noise, but yeah, man, here it is. Like I said, no front bumper. That's because it's at home, but we're gonna put it on. Yeah, man, big Hellcat. And it's still a 5.7, so don't get it twisted. We still got the 5.7 block. It's not a 6.2, so yes, it's still a 5.7. Oh shoot, this is loose. Just realized that. I'll tighten that, but yeah, man, big 5.7. I still have to drive it home. We not at home. We at my people's house, but yeah, man, it's crazy. It's in our possession again. This car has been down for months, and now we got it back. It's C63. That's crazy. Yeah, now we got it back. I need to fix this now because tire was eating it up, as you could tell. No bueno. But yeah, man, this is crazy. I'm gonna give y'all another POV once I get home. I'm not gonna end the video here, but I'm just showing y'all the car for y'all can see it, because y'all been wanting to see the car. So here y'all go. Y'all can see. This is not gonna stay like this. I just had to put it on because, oh, it's kind of hot, but I had to put it on just because, you know, I was taking it to the tuner. Yes, the tuner is Reed Performance. Some of y'all know, some of y'all don't, but yes, it's Reed Performance. He's the one that's tuning the car. Man, this is crazy. We're gonna be fully dialed in once we get the fuel pump. Once we get the fuel pump, we'll be fully dialed in. I'm gonna put it on the dyno, show y'all the numbers and everything. And yeah, man, it's leaking right here. He told me, as y'all can see, look, right there. It's leaking there. I'm not sure why. It is tied in. I think the little rubber thing ripped, as you can see right here. Yeah, I probably had to buy, hopefully I don't have to buy a new one, because then I'm gonna have to take it off, rewire it and all that stuff. Like, I know y'all seen that little drip. All bad, man. Hopefully it makes it to the house, because we are like an hour away. But yeah, man, that's the car for y'all. And it's very dirty, as you can see. Very dirty. Yeah, I do have to, I'm gonna get some 315s. I think these are 305s. Yeah, these are 305s. I have to get some 315s. So I'm gonna buy some 315s. Hopefully it don't rub. That's soon to come though. We still gotta get the car A1, you know. But yeah, man, let me take these off because these don't even go here. Yeah, I'll give you a POV once I'm heading home. Right now, I'm just chill a bit, and I'll be back on the road. For y'all, it's gonna be short, you know, for a millisecond, but yeah, I'll see y'all on the road. All right, y'all, so we made it back home. Ugh.
Ugly ass car.
Your face is ugly. We made it back home safe, as you can see. You're not even in the frame, so get away from here. Still not in the frame. No, they can't. Anyways, I was being disturbed by homeless.
Show him how foreign. Show them how
Yeah,
foreign.
right. Yeah, right.
It's a real foreign right here.
Yeah, right. Well, yeah, we made it home safe. The car is having like a bit of a RPM problem, but he told me to send him a video and we'll get that situated. But other than that, the car's running good. And like I said, it is leaking from here. I'm gonna get that fixed tomorrow, put the bumper on tomorrow, the front bumper, and get this car situated, because right now it looks kind of goofy and I'm not liking that. And yeah, I didn't get y'all the little POV drive from up there to home because I had a passenger and that passenger doesn't like me driving like that, so couldn't do it. So yeah, man, I'm gonna end the video here. I'll be giving y'all more videos. Just be patient with me because I do a lot and I try to do like the videos on the side when I have time. But yeah, man, just bear with me and I'll get y'all the videos. Don't worry. I'm gonna have to put on the mufflers, sadly, for y'all can hear the whine. I'm gonna put them on just to see how it is. And if I don't like it, I'll just cut them back off and, you know, go straight pipe again. But if y'all enjoyed this video, I know it's a long awaiting, but if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications for y'all to get notified when I post again. Yeah, man, it's exciting. But I see y'all on the next banger. Deuces.